Yes, you are.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Nitish. So, as you know, first question you must be aware of your introduction. You can start with that.
Okay. So myself Nitesh Sharma. Like I have 4 years of experience in academic writing. Okay. So I have done my job from 2017 to 2021, and I left in the July just to start my own venture in academic writing. Okay, so like I have 4 years of experience. Secondly, I was like quality head in my company, and the company name is Cognos Technology, headquartered in Udaipur, and I am in the Jaipur branch. Okay, and majorly I have to like look after the quality of the content that we are going to provide to the clients, basically. Okay, so like I want to know that you have some academic work.
Pardon?
I want to know that you have some academic related work.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll let you know. You know about the finance industry, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will let you know about it.
Basically, I'm okay with handling all kind of projects related to the finance, related to the management, medical, IT, either related to the law. So I'm okay with the all domains. Like I have my own team and my own experts, and they are handling everything related to the management, related to the finance, SPSS, either related to the linear programming, Excel, everything else. We are doing everything.
Good, good to know that. What are your education professional?
Okay, so like sir, I have done my MBA with the finance and marketing. Okay, and I'm also done my MCOM from the accounts and business statistics, and I am also in the CS final. So just at the I have given my text paper only, and I have cleared my executive. So that's my education.
After MBA, what you complete?
Like after I have done first I have done MCOM, then after MBA.
Which year pass out?
I'm like in 2018, yeah, 2017.
Okay.
From past 4 years I am in job. From 2017 I am in job.
So from last 4 year, you are in a professional atmosphere, and you also take freelancer work.
Yes, yes. Now I am just like starting my kind of a venture, like not registered anywhere, but I want to in future, and in future I want to be like as a registered as a venture with my own company name and something. But right now I am as a operating as a freelancer.
Okay. Presently, you are not working for any company. You are working for yourself.
Hmm. Yes, yes. I do for myself. I'm not associated with any company. I have my own clients, like whom I am just contacting or like taking the work related to the academic project, and I have my own team who I'm giving the work on the daily basis. I'm giving work to my like team related to the management, finance, law, and majorly I have like good expertise with the management and the finance.
How many members are in your team?
Like it's not a big team because I just started in this July only, and it's only 3 to 4 months. Okay, so like we have around 8 to 10 members.
So they are working as an intern or as a team member.
No, they are working as a freelance partner. It's kind of a like freelancing, total freelancing system. They are working me with as a freelancer. There is nothing like if they deny to work with me on the particular day, it's nothing with me. Like it's not on a salary basis, so they are work with me as a freelancer. But I will assure you about the work on time and the quality.
Yeah, definitely. What is the name of your venture?
That's why, like I said, I not decided any name of my venture right now. Just as I started in this July only, and it's almost 3 to 4 months, hardly 3 to 4 months when I started this. So still I have no name with my venture, but in the near future I'm going to be registered with some name. But I am working right now. I'm working as a freelancer.
Yeah. So your background of MCOM and then MBA, right?
Yes, and the CS.
And okay.
Company secretary.
So how did you get into content writing?
So, as you know, like I'm in Jaipur, and when I'm finding jobs with the good pay scale. Okay, so there's no industries in the Jaipur as like in the Pune or in the Bangalore and the Delhi. We don't have such kind of scope in Jaipur. So when I joined the company, they said they had the finance work. Basically, I joined this company as a finance what they call it as a finance team within a finance team. So like initially we have to do the balance sheet, income statements. Then after, when we got to realize that what is the actual working they are doing in the office is about the academic writing, basically. So initially we joined as a within a finance team just to solve the practicals. Then after a few times, we'll understand that it's like academic writing work, and then we have to continue. Like there is no scope of any other company, as we only have BPOs in Jaipur, right? You also understand that we only have BPOs like Genpact or any other. So there is only a voice process or the international process. We have to work in the night shift and everything. So there is no much scope. So that's why when I joined as a finance team, and like it's like feasible in terms of pay also at that time. So it's
Okay.
being continued, and then they start promoted with the team leader. Then after I promoted in the quality. Then after from the last around around 3 years, I just being as a quality leader.
Okay.
So what's your
So
venture, sir?
yeah. So like you are asking about me repeatedly, let me know. Like our company belong to finance industry. Like we are the finance advisor related to mutual fund and stock market. So we advise people where to invest and where to not.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how am I how my work is related to the field? Like how am I going to contribute in your field? Like, I want to know about that. You have some content writing or academic writing work, so I can go through.
Yes. I need a content writer related to that. I send you the link of my website, of my company website. You can read blogs related to that and let me know your point of view that you can help me with that blogs or not.
This is some content writers are also with me. Like they are like working with me as an academic writer, but basically they have experience of content writing almost 5 years. So I have some content writing also with me.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. So like let me know like how can we figure it out the target audience to our domain. Like our domain is finance industry and mutual fund. So how we'll figure it out or I can say how we can reach or if you're writing a blog, how we will reach to our target audience to read that 600 or 700 words of blog. Continue reading.
Okay, it's like a 700 word blog.
Okay. I repeat myself what I asked you. How we
Okay,
can figure it out a target audience.
okay, how we can
How will reach
target
out
our
to them?
audience. So, like I understand that. Say that totally depends which is our target segment. In case if our target and totally depends on our product. Like in case if our product is like something which is in luxury category, then we are going to target based on the basis of the only. Basically, mm, there are many segments in the target in the market considering the behavioral and the psychographical and everything else. So am I audible, sir?
You are audible, but your voice is not clear. Just be a bit louder and clear.
Okay, so I'm saying that like there are many segments in the market on the basis of which we decide that where we have to where we have to go with our product. So there are like we have to first of all decide with our like segment, like who to whom we are going to target. Like with the iPhones, they are just targeting with the luxury groups. For the Samsung, they are just targeting both the middle and the upper middle class. In case of the MI, in case of the other groups, they are just targeting the market also. And secondly, there are other aspects also regarding the behavioral and the psychographical and the geographical. And so these are also certain points that we have to consider in case of targeting.
Okay. So if I give you the work of related to writing, so you will write by yourself, or you are handled by yourself, or you hand over the project to your team.
Like I'm handing over my project, handing over the projects to teams.
Why?
Basically, because I have to manage more things, like because I'm in the academic field, as you know, it's totally different from the content writing. Not same, like not similar to the content writing, because we have to do like as you said, what is how we are going to target the customers. So in academic writing, we have to justify based on the criteria given by the client. Like in case they send me the brief, okay. So almost like I am doing it 10 to 20,000 words in a day or in a 2 day. So it's not possible for me to like write by myself, because I have to like handle all other things also. Like I have to increase my client base. I have to improve my like connections. I have to get work from others. Like I have to make the entries and make the payments and everything else. So like being I'm consuming all other things, right? Because I'm only handling the project. No? So,
Yeah. Yeah, I can understand. Do you know anything about the SEO content writing?
yes, sir. I understand. Like mm, I learned about the SEO content writing, and when I am in the like company or in the job, I have written some of the SEO content writing for my company also for the website purpose.
What
So
is it?
the
What is the
basic
SEO
purpose is
content writing?
so the basic purpose for the SEO is to just uh, is to follow the keywords on the basis of the basically client search about their requirements. In case the like the requirement is about uh, something in case of any topic we select, like in the marketing something is omni-channel marketing or something else. In case we take, so they search about something particular aspect, and we are going to cover in our SEO writing the particular keywords. So in case if they can search about that particular aspect, so the our like our content gets up to the like, view.
Do you have knowledge regarding to the digital marketing?
Not so much. Like I'm not in the digital marketing field, and I have not I have done any kind of course, but I can understand about the things like how it operates. Basically, the main purpose of the digital marketing is to like as I am also doing the kind of digital marketing stuff, kind of like finding the clients, finding the work, and it totally depends how you are going to find your client. It's a large base of clients, and we have to narrow down according to my requirements, to whom I want to target and to whom I want to to whom from I want get my work. So basically, it's like digital marketing is similar. Like you have to just narrow down your base on the basis of the requirements, so you can just go through to your target segment on which you want to target. Basically, the main purpose is that.
Tell me about the some books about the related to content writing that you read in past.
Sir, like in case of books, uh, I'm not going through much more books, but I'm going through the models because these are the majorly used under the like academic writing. Models are like the pastels and the SWOT and the Porter 5 courses, Porter Generic, Brio, all the management models. We have gone through all of them because with the practical application, Brio, BCG, Bowman's, I'm all going through all those models.
Okay, so if I am your audience, a user who comes
Okay,
to read your blog
okay.
related to any industry, so as a content writer, what is your object to write a blog?
What is my object? Write a blog.
Yeah,
So like, so first of all, you have to tell me the purpose, like which kind of blog or which kind of industry.
yeah, same industry, financial and mutual fund related to stock market. I'm your audience. I come to your blog.
Okay,
Tell me why should I read your blog?
okay. Give me a second. Okay. So like, I have to convince, that why should you go to read my blog, right?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, basically is about the issue, right? What kind of issues basically the clients are facing majorly. in terms of the finance industry or in terms of the mutual fund. They don't know about the portfolios. They don't know about the different baskets they have in case in which they can invest. Okay, so first of all, we are going to address the issue. What are the different issues they are like facing? Then after, based on those issues, those common issues, we are going to provide the solutions, like how they can operate, how they can identify the perfect solution in related to their basket, related to their portfolio, so they can get the most out of the most out
Yes,
of
yes.
their returns. In case,
Yeah,
as you know, that there is an
I know
equity
about the
options, there is an
portfolio. Like, if I don't know about the portfolio or mutual funds, I will Google it out. But I'm asking, if I Google it, the Google will show me the 1,000 options or 100 options or 10 option in first page. First page.
okay,
So
okay.
why I should only choose your blog other than other blogs to read your? What X factor did I
Basically,
get
sir,
in your blog on your, or in your article?
like what we did is to just being like more focused or more readable is to just focus on the keywords. I think it will help us to be on like the top of the list, so he can be like he
Yes,
can
yes,
search, or he can go with our
yeah,
link. As we saw, like whenever we Google something, we have 10 links, right? And first of all, what we do was just go with the first link. So as an SEO team, also they also working on the these aspects, that they are working on the keywords, and they are working putting the keywords on the SEO content
yes, yes,
writing.
yes, yes.
So whenever the client going to be search anything else, the our content is going to be on the top, so they will get easily access.
Yes, yes, yes. I repeat my question. I'm not asking my question to the Google point of view. I'm saying that
Okay,
I'm a person who have a user who come to your
okay,
website to read a blog to know about the industry. So if I Google it, Google show me the 10 option. So why only I
okay,
choose your article to read other than that? Like, I need some X factor. If like, if in the first four line I did not get that X factor that I have to read next 600 words, I will bounce back. I will go to other blog and read it. So how you convince me in that four lines, in that first 100 words, that I have to read full blog and full article? Getting my question?
okay. Yes, yes, I got your question, but sir, they, as you know, like I don't have much experience in content writing. In the content writing, basically, I was in the academic writing, and it's totally different from the content, as you also know. But in case if I'm going to explain you how we are going to approach in the first 100 words, so I can first tell you that the basic thing is about targeting. Like, its basic thing is about, we have to think from their perspective, like what kind of the basic issues they are facing. So in this case, we can just put those issues in the first initial aspects along with their keyword solution. So what it happens whenever they're going to the blog, or in the initial first 100 words, they saw that the basic issues has been targeted within the blog, like a kind of the portfolio, kind of the equity and the preference difference. So it will help them to understand about the basic concept, like what is the basic concept behind the mutual fund, what is the basic concept behind the investment. It will help to grab their attention. It will help to just know. And secondly, in the 100 words, along with the issues, we are going to provide the solutions also in terms of a keyword. So those keyword will help us to bring back their attention, as they getting their answer within that 100 words only. Like when they are going to read from the beginning, they are like basic, what are the basic issues when person going to invest. The basic is, what is portfolio, what is basket, they don't know about this. Okay, they don't know about the equity and the preference, they don't know about the different kind of shares, and what is the up and down, and the and what are this is
Yeah,
the
yeah,
selling options and put options and buying
yeah.
options. They don't
Get your
about
point.
the
Get your
stop
point.
loss and everything else.
Yeah, I get your point. So let me know like two things. Like first thing, can we create a suspense in first 100 word? Can we create a suspense like that users should read rest of 600 words? Can we do that?
Like as per you, it's not correct. Like we can't open the whole suspense. As I told you that we are going to just answer in the keyword. Okay, what it help us uh, from that kind of writing, they grab that yes, this kind of blog has also have a like detailed solution below in the description. That's why I'm saying that we are going to provide solution in the keyword. So it
Yeah.
will it will also provide them knowledge along with the suspense that the detail is going to be detail going to be fine in the below part. So it will help us to be like create the combination of both.
You talk about keyword couple of times. So let me know, like, did Google know the definition of keyword?
Like basically say I don't know about that Google know the definition of the keyword or not. And whenever I do the whenever I do the SEO writing for my company, basically we have not work related to the SEO writing. We are basically do the academic writing at the in my company also. But because I'm in the quality and they are want to be posted on their website, so I have write some of the contents and they the SEO team just told me to focus on the keywords. What we are giving to you, try to put them in your writing those keywords.
Yeah, okay.
So it will
Did you
whenever
know,
it will
like,
be
did you
searched by
know
somebody.
what is my question is? What is my question is?
Yes, yes, I got you. Yes, yes,
What is
I
my
got your
question?
question. Sir. Google
What
know
is my
about
question?
Google know about the keywords or not?
So yeah, let me know. My question is, did Google know the definition of a keyword? Yes or no?
I think yes.
Yeah. Now tell me the answer of second question. Did a user know the definition of keyword?
Uh,
A
no,
common person? No?
no.
That's what I'm saying. If a user coming to your blog to read an article, he don't have to do anything related to the keyword. He don't care about the keyword. He just want a knowledge from your article or from your blog. He is giving a
Yes, I can.
important thing of his life, that is a time and energy to read that
Yes,
blog. In exchange of
okay.
it, what he want? In exchange of what he want? What he or she want?
Like
If I reading your blog, in exchange of that, what I want?
knowledge.
Yeah, yeah, definitely knowledge. That's why I'm reading it. I
Yes,
don't
yes,
get it for the keywords. I don't know the definition of
yes.
keyword. I'm a user. I'm a common person. So
Okay, okay.
keywords
Sir,
and
I
this
got you.
technical term are for the Googles and the Google algorithm. As a user,
Okay,
I
okay.
only want the knowledge and the key factor and that X factor that after reading this blog for 5 to 10 minutes, I've I should be updated person. I know the something that about the related to industry that common person don't know. That's why I investing my time and energy to this blog. That's why I subscribe to your
Yes,
channel, get connected to you, subscribe to your email, get connected to the company. Getting my point?
yes, yes. I'm getting your point.
You agree with on it or you don't?
No, I'm agreeing with your point, sir. Like the user doesn't know about the keywords,
That's
just
what I'm
doesn't know
saying.
about the algorithm.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
yes.
what I'm saying.
I'm,
Yeah.
so, sir, like, I want to know about something like how we are going to approach for like writing in case like if we just forget about the keywords, okay, and in case if we want to engage our customers, how we are
Pardon,
going to approach?
pardon. Just loud and clear, be loud and clear.
Okay, so I want to know about one thing that like as you said that the our target customers don't know about the keywords, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So how we are going to approach or how we are going to write in case in this case?
Yeah. Firstly, we have to figure it out that we for whom we are writing for. We are writing
Okay,
for a blog or an article for a Google to rank on the top of the page. Or secondly, we are only focusing on the quality of a content. We have to writing that blog for a user only, for user based content. We don't have to give anything related to the ranking. If a user searching for XYZ and we rank on 100 position for that, the user will not come to us. That we
okay,
have to come to that. We have to give quality to it. So there is a two type of marketing. First is inbound marketing and second is outbound marketing. In outbound
okay,
marketing, we reach out to the customer, and in inbound marketing, customer come to us.
okay.
So if you have to, if our, you have to clearly first the object. If you have to rank on it, we have to get into the SEO writing, keywords, and all of that stuff. That title and description all comes in the picture. Secondly, if the only thing we have to provide the knowledge to the user, then you have to keep this thing aside, only focusing on the quality and a knowledge based content, and share to it in a different form, share in a infographic form, share it in a small picture, that if a person come in that picture on an infographic, then he click, if it found it interesting, then he connected to that link and he will end up with a blog page. Getting my
Okay,
point?
like in the images, like in the Google images, we find some kind of infographics and we just go through them, right click, we have a detailed information, right?
Okay, you talk about the infographic. Tell me the best platform or topmost platform where infographics are trending.
Topmost.
Platform where infographics are trending.
Oh no, so no idea, sir. I have no idea.
Pinterest? You have idea about Pinterest?
Pinterest, yes, I have idea. Like I heard about the Pinterest, but I'm never go through it.
Yeah. Yeah. No, this all the things are SEO, keywords, and Pinterest are related to digital
Yeah,
marketing.
as I
I
told
know
you
you are
that
a content
I'm
writer. You have only focus on more about the writing words. You are the only work. I will give you the
yeah,
topic, and you have to
academic
generate
writing.
a
Academic.
great work related to that. Your work is only that. Yes or no?
Okay, okay, okay. So basically, I'm the academic writing. Then what we have to do, we are just getting the brief from the student, okay, and we have to do the projects, right?
Yeah.
These are
Yeah.
the academic writing. Content writing, I know, is totally different from the academic writing, and I'm just like a fresher. I'm like a fresher in the content writing. But yes, I'm exploring the both fields. As you know, it's not. I'm not going to be limited with the academic writing. I also want to be in the content writing just to as a diversified venture or working opportunities. So I am finding the clients in the both ways, in the academic writing or in the content writing. I want to start with you. Like if you give me the opportunity, I'm going to give you some small blogs, or I'm going to give some small content. You're going to go through with that and just give me the some leads, or give me some like suggestions that how can I improve, or how can I do the better work. That will help me to just explore myself also, and my team also, and my venture also in future. So that's the major thing.
Okay. Yeah. So,
To be frank, I have no idea about the content writing. I never done with any company. I never wrote a blog, and I never like go live with a blog. Anything else? I have not
yeah, getting your
in
point.
not any person in my team, and not myself.
Yeah, getting your point. Getting your point. Yeah. So yeah, Nitish Sharma, it was a nice meeting with you. And in
Thank you
future,
so
if
much.
we get connected, I'll let you know that.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Yeah,
Whenever you want something to be like good written or the quality content, just message me with the topic, and I will do for you.
yeah. I just send you the link of my company. Just read the blogs related to, there are like 10, 15 or 20 blogs on that, and let me know that you can provide that quality of work or that relatable work to it or not. And if there is a yes
Okay.
from me, then we can work together on that project.
Okay.
And what will
Okay.
be charges, we will be negotiate on that. Good to go with.
So can you just tell me some standard charges? What are you providing? Standard price rates?
Is 0.5 to 0.8 per rupees word.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Okay.
again, it depend upon the quality and the type of content.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. I
I can
also
understand.
get connected. You know what happened? I tell you what happened. In past also, I get connected to some content writer. Personally,
Okay.
I like their work. They're very good with their work. But what happened now? Uh, a intent come, a differentiate of a intent come in a project. You know, like if I give you a work and I'm paying for it, probably you will give the best work of you.
Definitely.
Yes, but the intent matters. You write a 600 words of blog, your intent is different, your mindset is different, your thinking is different, because your knowledge is different. You are giving it me to me. I also like that work. I like that work. I forward that my work to the my senior. Sir, this is a content. Read it. I find it valuable and to the mark. But my manager or my senior didn't find it usable. So it is a waste, because he's the one who's going to approve it. His intent is different.
Okay.
His past experience is different. So we have to match the interest, intent at the same
Definitely.
time. At the same time, that blog and article has to be in a such a manner that also audience like to look. Like according to you and me,
Okay.
the blog was perfect to read, but the person who's sitting on top of my head, he's not getting that intent. His mindset is different.
Yes,
Getting my point?
yes, I got your point.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, yes,
This has
definitely I got
happened
your point.
in my past with my past content writer.
Yes,
That's why I'm sharing with you
yes.
the same thing,
This
because
is
you
the
and
reason.
me,
This is
if
the reason.
get together, we both of us did not waste our time.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah,
This is the point that you said is totally correct, and I can understand with that. Like this is the reason that why a content writing is different from the academic writing. The intent, because in academic writing we only focus over the like passing marks, right? But in the content writing, it's totally different. And the each client and the each customer has different intent behind seeing any content, and you can't imagine that how differentiated between, right? Like my intent is different, your intent is different, and your senior intent is different, right? And the customers who are going to be read is also with going with the different intent. Okay, so what I have to do, like we have to think from their perspective why we are going to write, right? I totally understand that. That's why the content writing is difficult with from the academic writing.
yeah. So
I
yeah,
got your point.
yeah,
I
yeah.
got your point.
Yeah, thanks for giving your time, and hope you nice.
Thank you.
It was nice to connect with you, and hope at the end of this meet you
Okay,
get to know about something new and you learn something new.
definitely, sir, definitely.
Yeah, yeah,
And I'm in the connection with some of the content writer also. Definitely, I'm in connection with some content writers who are working with me, and definitely we are going to do best for you at the time of need. And like it's a like nice meeting with you, sir.
yeah. Same here. Okay, bye, Nitesh. Have a good time and a good day.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Have a good day, sir.